No word of a lie, boys. That's the 6th accident I've seen today. They're dropping like flies out here. By George. Nobody's safe in a blizzard, buddy. That's what they call it, Canada weather right there, Canadian winter. They drop like flies. It's a 455 big block right there. Blue glove right there on it. Frick. Partially naked. Check it out, ladies. It's probably loud and windy out here, but this is the cardboard trick, boys. You just throw that piece of cardboard on there before it snows. That sucker's ready to roll right there, just like that. Woo! This particular property, they got some units down at the far end there. They told me we need those plowed in tighter than a sphincter. Last guy wasn't doing it tight enough. The forklift couldn't get in there. You can't do that, and we got no use for you, buddy, like the second H in shepherd's pie. But anyways, this day I got a little tight in there, buddy. Check it out. Tighty whitey, just like your grandma's undies there, buddy. I'm gonna give away 20 of the brand new Hemi Plow truck stickers. Now the beautiful part about these is now any vehicle can identify as a Hemi Plow truck. And I've been having fun just slamming these on every rig you can imagine. Some of my favorite spots have been my neighbor's car, Gary's.
Get the fuck off the property right now.
He was pissed. Some of the other best locations I've found so far is random cars at the mall and police cruisers. They love to identify as a Hemi Plow truck. So now whether you drive a Hemi Plow truck, or even a Prius, you can feel proud when you leave the house as if you have a Hemi Plow truck of your own. So shoot me an email, boys. I'm giving away 20 of these bad suckers. You got the online store coming soon. Stay tuned. Hey, Plow Life. All right, check it out, folks. I'm back again. And listen, even I hate it that I never shut up, but I gotta live with this. So do you. Let's get into this. I'm going to break it down how I'm going to plow this horseshoe drive. This is a circular type unit drive. I'm going to break this down into 4 squares, boys. So you can see here, I'm starting off by backing out into the street, pushing the snow up. Because me, buddy, I don't like leaving those snow banks out by the street. I see a lot of you guys push all the snow out to the street. Then you pile it up there. You leave a big snow bank on each side of the driveway. Well, I don't care if that obstructs the view or not. There's a lot of bad drivers out there. And even worse, there's a lot of these little sissy boys that are passing off blame on everybody they can. So you don't want to leave yourself exposed to catch that blame, boys. Anyways, listen. So once I'm done pushing this first side up, I move right over to the other side and I get that sucker pushed up too. Because guess what? We got a schedule, buddy. No time to waste. I ain't going to stop for a break in the middle. What you expect? So anyways, you can see, I'm working that side up as well. And now, I don't care if these snowbanks are 6 feet, 4 feet, or the little 3-footers that I got, boy. Because once I get those 2 sides pushed up like that, I'm going to swing the rig and back right over a section of them. Because like I told you, I'm breaking this down into 4 squares. Entrance 1, entrance 2, top half 1, top half 2. And I hear a lot of guys, well, I don't pile snow and then hit it from another direction. Well, guess what, buddy? That's great. But I got particular areas where I want to pile this snow. So I'm just going to do what it has to take to get it there. And I ain't going to care what you have to say. But anyways, guys, so you can see I'm clearing off that side. My buddy Ian is getting some nice shots here. The rig just having at it. As well as that, I got the time-lapse camera up on top of the roof. That's why you can see I'm chopping these up like one of those hibachi chefs for you. Okay, so once I'm done, it's quadrant 3, which is top half 1. You catching on? I'm going to swing that rig back around. I'm going to hit quadrant 4, top half 2. Push that off to the side there. Now, buddy, that's just about all there is to it. I see you guys, if you're going to try to plow that and you're going to keep the shape of the circular, you're going to be doing a lot of extra pushing. This entire plow job of this front here, it took about 12 minutes because I have a full video of it. I broke it up for this edit, but it took about 12 minutes, boys. So after that, you can see I'm going to back the truck into place. I'm going to give this the full Tony Hawk 1080, baby. 3 full rotations with the salt. And that's it. No pre-salting. We showed up after the storm. This is a Sunday night. We're getting this done, so Monday morning she'll be fresh, ready to go. Showed up, plowed it, lay a nice layer of salt, 3 passes. That's it. Come back there, have a look at that in 2 hours. That's melted absolutely clean. Anyways, till next time. Cheers, folks.